Of all the magnets on Earth, none is quite so grand as the Earth itself. In his Elizabethan study, Dr. William Gilbert had discovered that fact. Since then, scientists have discovered that most of the planets have magnetic fields. So do the stars, and especially the sun. In fact, much of the universe is like an extended family of magnets. As in any family, each member can have a significant effect on the others. Whether at the North Pole or here at the South, nowhere else is the Earth's magnetism felt or studied with as much intensity. This can be a brutal environment, but it's not without certain rewards, such as meeting the native inhabitants, or experiencing the aurora, which just may be the greatest show on Earth. It's produced by charged particles from the sun and directed by the Earth's magnetic field. But exactly what is magnetism?
Just about everybody has played with magnets at one time or another, so you probably already know quite a bit about magnetism. For example, you probably know that you can use a magnet to pick up a paper box, provided, of course, that it's full of steel paper clips. I imagine you also know that you cannot use a magnet to pick up a piece of aluminum like that, or to pick up a piece of copper like that. In other words, some materials are magnetic and others are not. One thing you may not know is that something that is magnetic can have its magnetism destroyed just by heating it. For example, this is an iron wire. And you can see that it's magnetic because it's being held up right now by being attached to this bar magnet. I'm going to destroy the magnetism of that iron wire by heating it. And I'll do that by passing an immense current through it. Let me just do that. Now, as it warms up, you'll see that the wire starts to sag, but I'll have to get it almost red hot before it will fall off the magnet. I'll have to put a little more current in still. Now watch, and there it goes. When it got hot enough, it destroyed its magnetism and fell off the wire. Now, of course, that I've disconnected the current, it's cooling down, and when it gets cool enough, I should be able to make it stick back to the magnet again, like that.